We're checking out a very interesting phone today. This is our look at the Infinix Note 60 Ultra. Good day, you beautiful people. Look at this phone. This is the new Infinix Note 60 Ultra and it's quite an interesting phone. This phone design is a collab between Infinix and Italian design house Pininfarina. It's very interesting, but before anything else, let's rewind to the unboxing because even that is an experience. So first of all, this is one sleek looking phone. Very interesting to me, aside from this, which they call the active matrix display, is how this whole back area is all in one piece. Infinix calls this the uni chassis cam module design, and I really think that that's such a good look. So this is the Infinix Note 60 Ultra in Torino Black, and like I mentioned earlier, this was done in collaboration with Pininfarina. I mean, by the looks of this thing, you really get a feel of the design house's history with designing race cars, even with the UI and the app actions to this. And I feel like that's such a good little touch. So basically that lighting and this little guy is part of what they call the active matrix display. And it's really cool because you can customize it based on your notifications. There are different pixel pet options. You can even customize what goes on here or even play games with a tiny screen. Now, let's take a closer look at this phone. Honestly, this phone feels really premium. I cannot stress that enough, and it even looks the part. Like it has a nice solid weight and feel. And again, let's take a moment to appreciate that camera panel, that whole unibody look. Very discreet branding over there, and look, that light looks so good. Like if I didn't know any better, I'd think that was just like part of the phone and not like an actual thing that lights up. And yeah, when you turn off the matrix dot display here, it just looks like a very classy like part of the phone. You wouldn't even know there's this little screen there. And then you have this nice back. Up front, you get that racing theme going on. And the detail on this phone, even on the side of that module, look. On the right side, you get your volume rocker, your unlock button. That red detail there is a nice touch. You get your speakers, USB-C ports, SIM tray. On the other side, you get this one tap button. Right now, that mutes or unmutes the phone. But that's also fully customizable, so I can actually change it to, let's say, camera, and now it opens the camera for me. Up front, you get speakers, there's some JBL branding over there, and that's the IR blaster. Now, the Infinix Note 60 Ultra is powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 8400. It reps a 7000 mAh silicon carbon battery with 100-watt wired charging and 50-watt wireless charging. What's interesting is that Infinix claims that this is a self-healing battery. According to them, this battery will recover 1% for every 200 charge cycles. Basically, they say that a low current repairs micro cracks in the battery, and so that should better battery performance. Aside from that, this phone features dual JBL 360 speakers. It has an IR blaster eSIM capabilities, and it's IP68 rated. This thing runs on XOS 16 and Infinix promises 3 years of full OS updates and 5 years of security updates. Now, the Infinix Note 60 Ultra did not launch by itself. The Note 60 Ultra line features 3 devices. You have the Ultra, you have the Infinix Note 60 Pro, and you have the base Note 60. Now, in terms of camera, this phone features a 200 megapixel main shooter and a 50 megapixel periscope shooter on the back. Up front, that's a 32 megapixel front-facing camera. Let's take a quick look at what these cameras can do. Now, some special features of this phone. First off, there is an Ultra HD mode. For low light photos, it does 16 and 1 pixel binning, so that should give you clearer images. In terms of zooms, this phone can do wide 1x, 2x, and that is a 3.5 times optical zoom. You can do 7x lossless digital zoom, but all in all, this can go up until 100. In terms of video, this can shoot 4K, 60 FPS, 30 FPS, and up front, it can also do 4K. Let's take a look at some sample shots. I did bring out these cameras yesterday and I was so pleasantly surprised with the results. But what's also quite cool is that there is a street snap mode. So if you do street photography, there is a mode for it and it goes from 24 to 85 millimeters. And then you also have focus settings. So you can do 1 meter, 3, 5 meters or autofocus. There's also a different like sort of filters and it's pretty cool. I use this vintage filter for these shots. Gave it a very dramatic look. And under more, you even have a vlog mode that lets you shoot like short videos with a template that's already here. And that was our first look at the Infinix Note 60 Ultra. Let me know what you guys think. Comment down below. Let me know what else you'd want to see me test out with this phone. If you want a whole vlog test, let me know. That's it for today's video. If you want to see how I use my tech on a daily basis, find me online. That's isadoes_ on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Till next time.